We're going to turn on the app, and then I'm going to give you some tips from my WhatsApp group. That's basically where we're going to get started. And we haven't made any money in the last 2 hours. I've been just slowly chugging along, doing my morning routine. And if you watch my last 3 videos, you'll know in the podcast that it's Saturday. Normally it's slow. It doesn't pick up till 9-10 o'clock when people wake up. And then you want to be at the right place at the right time, because it gets hot fast. First, we're going to start with what Mark was saying. Lots of crap offers, not even $1 a mile. Geez, it's been very slow in San Diego. And that was last night from Friday. That is the first update. This is the next update. Frank said that people have a QR code right there. And look at what it says. Holiday parties, airport rides, extended rides, private events, right? I think it says cemetery. I can't read the last one. Lose transportation services. A friend of mine gets private clients with this. And check that out. Oh my God, what you giving me? $8? No, bro. We're not gonna do it for $8. But check that out, guys. And this is basically what it leads to when you scan it, right? It goes to the guy's phone number, it goes to his email, and it goes into San Diego. That is not in the direction that I want to go, and it's not minimum $15. Sorry. Okay, we're going back to what we're here to talk about. So check that out, guys. That's pretty cool, right? QR code goes to his phone number, and it goes to his email, and people can hire him, right, as a private driver. Now it's offering $4. No, we're not even going to do that. Although that was going in the direction that I was going to go, no, we want our minimum $15 for 30 minutes. Otherwise, we're going to keep working on our YouTube channel, right? Hey, this is just for Uber. Hey, Uber algorithm, if you haven't noticed, look, I've already uploaded 3 videos on my podcast today, right? I've already gotten 1 comment that I need to respond to, and I'm in the process of uploading my 3rd video. So please stop giving me $15 rides. My personal life is way more important than your $4.44. And that is Frank. Actually, no. Okay, yeah, that is from Frank. Okay, so Frank gave us these, and this is what he looks like. He's a cool guy, dude. He's a great guy. He's on my YouTube channel, and he's also on my WhatsApp group, right? And now we keep in touch and we help each other out. Okay. Right here, Frank was telling us that he uses an app called Maximo. If you guys use it, let me know in the details. I don't use any apps. I just try to keep it nice and clean. But look, these are the kind of discussions we're having in my WhatsApp group. We're literally helping each other out, giving ideas, giving suggestions, right? And if you look over here, this is a brand new app that I just downloaded. It's called DRYVER, right? And let's look at the details for this. There you go. Another $6. We're going to say no because, you know, students don't have a lot of money, but that's not my problem, right? I'm not going to sit here and sell myself short, right? I'm going to keep teaching you guys. Be nice and patient. It'll pick up around 8-9 o'clock and have something that you can work on. Okay, so this is the app that I've already installed. I haven't signed up for them, right? But let's look at it so I can read what it's about for you guys. Add birthday field to custom profile, add support about this app. We drive. Okay, here you go. This is what it is. And if you want to follow along, it's right here, and I'll play the video too. Okay, check this out. We drive your car so you don't have to. Hire a designated driver on your phone, right? So now let's play this video that they have.
We wanted to provide a service where young professionals like ourselves could go out and have a good time and not have to worry about, you know, who's driving home, the coin toss or who's the most sober. So it's just a safe alternative.
So we try to keep Be My DD very simple. We only offer 2 services. We have a personal driver service where the driver will actually come to your home and take you out for the evening in your own automobile. We also have a pickup service where if you're already out somewhere, had a little too much to drink, 2 drivers will come out and take you and your car back home.
As soon as I get the order, it'll be confirmed.
Okay, you can watch this on your own, right? But guys, a passenger in the car told me about this, right? And look, they've got decent reviews. I'm 100%, I've already signed up, I've already downloaded it, right? I want you to check this out. And look, there was another update that I got from somebody in my WhatsApp group. Let me show you that one. Yes, sir, right here. Mr. Adam, if you look right here, said that the rideshare guys talked about this app. And I missed this video, right? Adam watched this video, sent it to me, and then I started watching it, and now I'll play it for you. These guys are awesome, by the way. Hopefully you guys are following them.
Okay, there's a new company that you can make extra cash with now. Gabe, one of our own EV Money co-hosts, and who was in San Francisco, sent me this. I looked through it. You know, periodically we'll put up shit that we think drivers will benefit. More apps on your phone. Remember tools in the toolbox? I think this is a freaking hell of a tool in the toolbox.
And there it is, my friends. This is Jeeves. I'm going to go ahead and install it. And whenever it's available, I will be ready to drive for both of these companies, right? I think the driver is available. I just have to fill it out, and I'll put it in my notes today. That's one of the things that I want to be focusing on, right? So we have Jeeves, and then we have the other one that I told you, right? And this is how we do it. And look, in the background, while this app is giving me $5, $6, what have we learned today? This is my 4th video, right? You've learned about 2 new opportunities that you can use so you can stop driving Uber. And I think the fact that we can drive someone else's car home as a driver and make money, I mean, that's brilliant, right? That's brilliant. Like, what if somebody has a limo? What if somebody has a Bentley? What if somebody has a really nice car? They want to go out, they want to have a good time, and you kind of chauffeur them, right? So Uber and Uber stock and Uber CEO, the easiest way we can get them fired is by changing, right? Changing. And if you watch my last video, I was telling people, stop driving drunk people. Stop driving people at bars. Do this. Take their car, drive them, relax, chill, work on whatever you want, and then take them home when they're done. You don't have the risk. You don't have the liability. It's their insurance, right? And this is how we beat the system, right? Until Uber and Lyft and DoorDash, these are the 3 companies that are treating us like slaves. If they don't start respecting us, then we don't have to drive drunk people. We don't have to go to wineries. And trust me, passengers will complain. Moms will complain. Dads will complain. They don't want their kids going home drunk. You know what's going on with fentanyl, right? The issue with fentanyl and drugs, right? It's a huge issue because so many people are dying. Enough people die, Uber drivers and Lyft drivers will get the respect that they deserve. What are we doing? We're saving their children, right? We're saving their family members, and we're even saving their drunk butts, right? People that are drinking out there, partying, having a great time, all the power to you, right? Respect your driver, pay your driver. Just because we don't have a union doesn't mean you can take advantage of us. We have WhatsApp, we have YouTube, we have Twitter, and we are learning to use the algorithm, and we're building a tribe, and we're building a community, right? I've got 7 people in my WhatsApp group, right? Maybe you can be the 8th one or the 9th one. Actually, Suzanne said she wants to join our group. I told her what to do. Oh, there it is. Perfect. Yes, I will get suckered into this $33 ride right now. You know why? For 55 miles. It's disgusting, right? It's so disgusting, right? Like, that's $55 we should get paid, but I'll take it, right? And look, I was totally right about UC Riverside. One of these kids is going to wake up, and when they wake up, I'm going to need a ride, right? So thank you, right? Now, this $33 for 55 miles is because this kid is basically getting this ride at a discount because Uber wants to take care of that child and keep him on the platform. That's it. But we get screwed, right? 33 for 55 miles, $10 is gone for gas, $23 goes in my pocket. But I'm okay with that. I know how the algorithm works. I sat here, I worked on my videos, I worked on me, and now we're going to go pick him up and be in Los Angeles. But I know it's not $1 per mile, but there's nothing we can do. This squeeze is going to get tighter and tighter and tighter, unfortunately.